So hi there, today I want to take you through the process of registering a Google Analytics account. So just go to Google. On the bar there, you just type analytics. So it's analytics.google.com. You'll get something like this or something similar. So just go ahead and click on start measuring or anything else that you're going to find there. Then on account details there, the name, just put in your business name. So for me, this one, I could say some karaoke account data sharing. You could leave it as it is and just click next. So here you still name it as some karaoke. The property name, you just give it the same name. Make sure that you choose the time zone. For me here, I can choose Kenya. For you, choose the country that you're in. Here, you can choose the currency that you usually have. Usually they don't take Kenya shillings, so it's there, but usually they don't accept, or it usually lands us into challenges. So continue that process. Industry, choose the industry that you're in. Could choose any, the size of your business. You could choose what you want to do, and you could choose all the ones that you think work for your business. Then click on create. Click agree. Usually sometimes it will not go forward if you don't scroll to the end. Then click accept. And so choose a platform. So choose web, or you can skip it. You don't have to go through this. So here, choose the website. Could say stream name. I can call it some karaoke. And then click create. And that's it. Now you have created the analytics, and that's how you create the analytics account. Now you need to install this tag on your website, and then test the installation. If you don't know how to do that, you just close this, uh, close this too, then come back to analytics. So you just go back to analytics, and the way you do that, to come here, you just need to remove all the content that is after.com. Delete that, hit enter, and then you're going to get this. Then come here to admin, account details, admin. Now you can set all the details, give. So I want to go on and show you how you give access to another person to your Google Analytics account. So once you've created it, and I've shown that in the previous video, you need to come to admin section and then come to access and management. Click on access and management. So here you just need to click on add, the plus icon there, click on it, add users, and then I can add myself there. And I can add myself as an admin. So add yourself as an admin. You can add somebody as an editor and all those. Usually when you're dealing with an agency or a marketer, what you need to do is to give them admin access so that they're able to um, do the things that they need to do there to integrate. So go ahead and add that. So an invite will be sent, and this person can go ahead and accept that invitation, and they will be added to your Google Analytics account. So that's the process.